Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Domingo the Don back with another video, man. We about to what we about to do? Oh yeah, we got to meet up with Ratchet and Kit for the first time. Well, Kit's about to meet. You know what I'm trying to say? They all about to meet and shit. Oh man, me. What's her face? Got butterflies right now.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
Yeah, I know. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to,
Oh shit! Come on, bro. You're not dead ass. We just fought all them guys. You gonna have your hands up for these fools?
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
how many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing? The crowd's flooded.
Oh, okay. We really fighting him. Damn, this nigga's kind of.
Ready, Kit? Ready.
Another Lombax! Ah, good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
We'll see about that.
You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat!
Oh shit.
Lombax's be as a death.
Oh.
You're insufferable. Yes, whoa already!
Oh,
Let me enjoy my
whoa, whoa. This is hard, right? Oh, this is crazy, bro. I just woke up not so long ago, bro. Wow, speak! I wasn't expecting this.
I'm totally fine.
Oh, shit. This is crazy. I'm trying to wake up. Fuck. This is. I was not expecting this shit.
I never met the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
I'm surprised he's putting up this fight, though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Not let you or Ratchet or Clank or
Oh!
What
Oh,
did you
man.
do with the Emperor?
Oh, there's a checkpoint? Let's say that.
I never met the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Whoa, this guy's pretty. I thought he was gonna be the bitch guy kind of fighter. Damn, 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 damn. Oh.
Not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is on your back take my newfound glory away from me.
Oh. Why is he so strong?
What did you do with the Emperor?
Never met the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Are you serious?
Whoever that is on your back takes my newfound glory away from me.
Fuck,
Let's say I enjoyed that.
bro. Come on, bro. Alright, I'm gonna use my.
Do with the Emperor.
I never met the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Oh. The fuck, bro? Damn.
Will not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is on your back take my glory away from me.
Can you fucking leave me alone, bro? What the fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro? What the heck? Alright, bro, hold on. I'm getting pissed off at him. Can I get a checkpoint? What the fuck? Come on! Where's the cutscene? Hold on, hold on.
Tough crowd.
Ah, I think that's a check. That's a
A
checkpoint.
change of scenery.
Thank you. 50. Bet. Now if I die, it's gonna be start here.
2 against
Oh, health,
1.
health, 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 health.
There. So this one on my team.
Nice, Grunthor. Are we on Sargasso? Yep, this is where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
Are you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
More brilliant and powerful than ever.
What?
This isn't a supernova. Why aren't these buttons labeled?
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
Can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of this audience of my adoring.
Damn, I should have reached the house. I gotta use my damn phone, bro. Come on, bro. This nigga's about to beat me. Oh no. Alright, I see how. Alright. Alright, it's over. Aye! He's dead. Why is he not dead? Oh shit. Hold on. Let's go. Look at my brightness. Alright, damn, bro. That's the real one.
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I've finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the Rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Wait. If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
Actually, that was
Reach
alright.
the end of my treacherous track without falling off your steed. Can our Lombax handle something more deadly?
Oh shit.
Wait. If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right.
Can you reach the end of my treacherous
I'm still pissed off about this camera. Look how foggy my thing look, bro. I'm really sorry, y'all. This is mad unprofessional, man. Smack that ass!
handle something more deadly? Say, the bone-melting acid swamps of Sargasso!
Oh
Wait. If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
Oh, I mean, thanks for coming to...
Of course, the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh. Not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must hold that thought.
Make an entrance with the Bombardier. Guaranteed for an explosive good time.
The Warmonger. A weapon whose destructive capability is matched only by its simplicity. Pull the fire trigger. It shoots a rocket. Pull it again. It shoots another rocket.
Yeah, that's hard.
Boost that bad boy. You unlocked it, sugar! Come on back for upgrades when you level that up.
Anyway, the Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must get the Dimensionator away from him before we have no home left to save.
All of the other names on that hit list.
It is not your fault that they were captured.
Alright, yo. I'm about to do these little tournament things to get some points in, but we're gonna stop here. 'Cause remember I said every world we do, we're going things. So I'm gonna rack up some points. You don't need to see this. This is me playing like random shit, nothing crazy. So next episode, we're gonna go to the Nactinetherius and whatever he's at and all that shit. Still mad about my fucking camera, but I love you guys, man. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, share the page, man, and hopefully I'll be in a better mood next time. And love y'all, be easy, and I'm still pissed off. I don't give a fuck, man. Love y'all.